One of the very surprising things that people don't seem to understand about Australian law is that unlike our American friends, we do not have an unfettered right to free speech. And so the very famous First Amendment, which Americans rely upon and gives them so much access to being able to say and do what they wish, doesn't really exist here. And sometimes freedom of speech means that you can say something in one context which is lawful and say it in a different context, making it unlawful. For example, you can say a swear word not outside of a church or school and be okay, but say it within earshot of that and potentially get charged. And beyond that, we have defamation laws, which can be utilized to charge people if they say something that defames someone. Now, our Constitution has some implied rights that are very important. There is an implied right of freedom of speech in relation to matters of political communication. An absolute right to free speech is not something that exists under Australian law. That's why people like me push so much for a Bill of Rights. Having all of those rights in one place would make it way easier to understand what is and is not a right that you can rely upon and say, hey, you're infringing right number 6.